My name is Uchenna Nkereuwem, and I represent Grateful Heart LLC. Grateful Heart LLC is a minority-owned construction company based in Norcross, Georgia, and has provided premier masonry, millwork, and carpentry services for over 18 years. As a minority business, it can be challenging to gain visibility and access with large general contractors like Brasfield Gorrie. So programs like Equip does provide us the connections, education, and opportunities that allow us to grow in ways we never could alone. Since joining Equip, we've been able to establish relationships with Brasfield Gorrie's pre-construction team and participate in workshops. These have strengthened our capabilities and positioned our company for subcontracting jobs. We've achieved some revenue growth, and expanded our workforce over the past 1 year. We attribute these successes directly to the impact of Equip. Our operations team has developed plans to rapidly scale up crews as needed to provide additional capacity for major projects. And we continuously invest in training and development to upgrade our capabilities. We are dedicated to working with Brasfield Gorrie to establish a best-in-class partnership model that raises the bar. We believe this is just the beginning of a great future together. Thank you.